Hello everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have a very interesting model, and unfortunately one that you won't really be seen flying anymore, but in real life at least when it comes to this aircraft. But it's a Canadian jet, the Canadian Jetlines Airbus A320 with sharklets by C models. This is actually my first ever C models aircraft. No idea don't know much about them, but I know that it was kind of like I don't want to say it was an exclusive to West Coast Diecast, but yeah, anyway, that's where I got this model from, along with a couple other models. This is my first C models aircraft, and it's the Jetlines A320 with sharklets. Now, unfortunately, I got this right after, or kind of right around the time that Jetlines was going under, and they no longer exist. And this aircraft is actually now stored in France, and the registration's, it's no longer Golf Charlie Juliet Kilo. It's been re-registered and everything. So kind of sad. This is a pretty short-lived airline in Canada. Same with kind of Lynx, you know. The Canadian aviation industry is a brutal one. It's really hard because there's, there's not a massive population to start, and then there's only so many destinations and everything, and everyone already serves them, so there's a lot of competition. When you'd have this, like you had Flair, Swoop, Lynx, WestJet, Air Canada, who else am I missing? Porter now, and you had Jetlines. So yeah, there was a lot going on. There was a lot of factors that played into it. It's also a very expensive place to operate. Canada's not cheap in terms of the aviation industry and operations and operating costs and whatnot. So it's sad that we've seen a lot of airlines go under in Canada in recent times. Lynx Air, Jetlines now, Flair's been struggling. Swoop's gone back with merged back with WestJet. So yeah, pretty crazy stuff. But I still wanted to get this model just to have it. It's a pretty cool looking aircraft. I love the livery. It's unique. So it's one to just have for the collection. Which you just kind of look back at. I was thinking about doing the same with Lynx, but I don't know if I'll end up getting one of their Maxes or not. Nonetheless, let's get right on into it. Here's the box art. As you can see, hobby models, scale 1/4 scale, C model, Airbus A320, Jetlines. There's the registration talked about. Golf Charlie Juliet Kilo. Aircraft, there it is. There's a picture of it. Jetlines.com. Looking really nice. Oop, whoops. Back's pretty bland. Made in China. Yeah. Don't know much about C model, but just know that this was one of their models that they made, and I picked this up from West Coast Diecast. Very excited to have this. Oh, unique packaging around the sharklets there. Interesting. Okay. Well, let's take a look here. Go. Like a little foam ball or something. Interesting. Huh. Unique packaging. Something different in terms of the packaging right there. Well, it looks like a pretty good. I don't know who, like in terms of the mold, whose mold this is. I'm not sure. My guess would maybe be Panda, or I don't know about NG, but Yeah, it looks pretty good though. It looks overall pretty nice. Like, take a look at that. Not bad, huh? Not bad. So we'll zoom in here. Some good details there around the nose. Everything looks good. The gears look pretty nice. Got the Canada flag right next to the door there, L1 door. Jetlines titles. Antenna on the top. Overwing exit markings. Looking very nice. The engines, jetlines.com on them. These are the CFM engines. Look pretty good. I mean, pretty dark in there, but for what it's worth, it looks like there's decent detail. They're not like see-through. Hollow, should I say. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it's got Jetlines on the inside. It's got the little logo on the outside. Oh, it almost did. Looked really nice. Kinda, you can kinda get what I'm showing you guys. Yeah. Anyway, moving along. Got more antennas. And the lights. Got a little exit emergency exit right back there. And then the registration back there with the aft door. Got their little like logo here, little plane with sort of like a swoop underneath there. Looks nice. The tail looks pretty good. Some good details there on that. But let's see, on this side you got the bulk bin door right back here, and you got the main cargo door there. Same up front there, you got the forward cargo door. So overall, yeah, that's pretty much it. But it's a very nice looking model. I love the orange, and then the white and the blue. I love the shade of blue. It looks all very nice. It's very unique. It's kind of sad that they no longer are flying. Let's zoom out here. Here's a top-down view. The one thing I did notice was this wing looks like there's a little bit of a gap there, but it is in place. It's not loose or anything. Wings look really nice, and underneath there's the registration on that wing. Nope, there's the registration on that wing there. And then the little marking right there. So the logo underneath, which is pretty cool. But yeah, very sad to see these. That I don't even think I got to see one of these in person actually. That's how short-lived it was. Like they never flew anywhere that I was at the time, or I didn't run into them anywhere. So I don't think I got to ever see any of these aircraft in person, which is kind of sad because I would have loved to gotten some videos of them. But yeah, it's sad to see that, or to know that this company no longer exists. These aircraft don't. They're gone now, and to all the people that lost their jobs, it's kind of sad. But it's kind of nice to have a model, just to kind of look back on and be like, oh yeah, Jetlines existed at one point. So yeah, pretty cool. With that being said, though, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you can try and find this model, look at West Coast Diecast. They're most likely going to be the place you can find it, maybe some other Canadian retailers. But with that being said, guys, if you did enjoy this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more mall unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.